guys, welcome to Byte Official, and in today's video I have this wooden desk clock with me, and basically this can run on direct power and basically 4 AAA batteries. And it is a clock. You can see here it shows the time, the year, the date, and it also shows the humidity and the temperature. Again, this is not very accurate because all the sensors are lying inside the clock and not outside, so it's just showing the inside temperature and humidity, which is basically matching very close to the room temperature and humidity. Okay, and apart from this, this also supports wireless charging on the top, so I can keep a wireless charging, like any phone which supports wireless charging, and keep it on top and it will actually charge it. Now the issue that I am facing with this clock is that after a couple of months of use, I think its internal battery that keeps the time has discharged. So let's say here it's 12:04. Now if I just disconnect this from here, if I remove the connector, okay, so this will be off. And now if I just leave it like this, and let's say I come back after a couple of minutes, and if I then try to again connect it back, so ideally what should happen is that I shouldn't need to reset the time again. It should actually keep that time, even though it is not powered from outside or there is no batteries inside, it still should keep the time. But here it's not happening. So let's try this now. So now let's say if I just plug this back again, you can see it has reset. Now it is again setting itself up, and you will see that it will again come back to its 12 a.m. time. See, so this shouldn't happen ideally, because then after every power cut I will need to manually set the time again and all the settings. So I'm just opening it, and now let's try to extract the battery from this. So let's try to turn them and see if you're able to access the inner battery or not. Again, I'm opening this for the first time, so even I'm not sure, because I didn't find any videos or anything as such online to show how to open this. So even I am doing this for the first time. Okay, this is just not turning. Okay, are these real screws or no? I don't know. This is just not turning with it. And this one was okay. This is the it's the Y one. I need the P Phillips connector. So PH00. Let me try this. Yeah, I think it got. And let's open. And what I feel over here is that just by opening these two screws, I should be able to directly access the hidden internal mechanism that like keeps the time. Yes, so you can see this is separate from the rest of the clock. And yes, as I had guessed, we have the battery here, and this is actually discharged. So I'll just plop this out. Again, I'm not sure how to plop this out right now. Okay, come on. Okay, it's out. And as you can see, this is CR2032. So I need a similar cell now to plop it back in, and I think that should fix my issue. So let me get that quickly. Okay, so I'm back, and I actually do have some cheap CR2032 cells with me, so I'm just going to use this one. So I'll just open this up, and in the same order, see, this is the same one. Okay, I'll just plop it in. And just make sure that this is connected properly in the terminal. Okay, this is in now, and I will now put this back. Okay, and this should keep it in place. I think this was the PH00. This is the one. And yeah, I am counting on these screws to keep this panel in place. That sound wasn't good, but can't do much now. Okay, I think, okay, yeah, the panel got cracked at these ends, but again the screw is holding it, so I think it should work. I'll just power this on again, and right now it has its current time 2:1. Okay, 12:01. Now let's say if I just remove this, okay, and I'll just leave it like this for, let's say, 5 minutes. Okay, and I will come back after 5 minutes and see what happened. Okay, so it has been around 5 minutes now, and now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's power this on. So I'm just inserting this and see, it is keeping the time. It coming at 12:09 and we had left it around 12:01 or 12:02. Okay, so now this is keeping the time, everything else is correct, so our job over here is done. So this is how you can replace the battery of this kind of a table clock. Okay, and if you want this table or desk clock, I have left the link of this in the description of this video, and also in the video itself you can find the product links. So do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also hype this video if you found this useful. And thanks for your time, and bye bye, see you later.